I came back from work. What a tiring day. How are you?
Hello, Dad. I'm fine. I made some rice with eggs for dinner.
Oh, that's great. I like it. What happened? Why are you sad?
No, nothing. Everything's fine. Let's eat. I also made some lemonade.
That's excellent. That's my son. But why is the house dirty? Didn't you clean it?
Oh, the house. I'm sorry. I arrived a little late today. I just made dinner.
Don't worry. That's okay. I will clean the house after dinner.
No, no. I will do it later. But there's something I have to tell you.
What is it? What makes you sad, my dear son? Tell me.
It's the teacher. She keeps telling me about the books and... No, never mind.